we got some new interior upgrades that we'll be installing on the Civic. Hey everyone, my name is Eddie. Thank you for joining me, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you can follow along with the builds that I'll be working on in this channel. There'll be a couple other things I'll be doing, but mostly if you're into Hondas or any 90s Hondas or golden era Hondas or just any Hondas in general, then you found the right channel, because that's mainly what I'll be working on here on this channel. But as I said, today we'll be doing some upgrades. We picked up a Momo Monte Carlo steering wheel and also a Momo hub that we'll be installing just to, change up the interior, make it look a little better. I've been doing a couple of upgrades to it to make sure that it comes out right and it looks, to my liking. So let's jump into getting all that stuff done and see how it looks. Alright, so what you want to remove first is you want to make sure that you take out the cruise control. After you remove the cruise control, there's a little cover that goes right here so that you can get to the little torque screw that's right up in this spot. You need a T30 to remove that one. You also need to remove the one that's on this side right there, which is another T30. And then from underneath you'll be able to unplug the airbag. Now once all that's removed, I've already moved it off to the side. Basically you just unplug this one, and I just unplugged the little connectors that run to each side of the horn, and it leaves me right here. So next what I have to remove is I have to remove this little piece right here, this bolt. So once that bolt's removed, I can pull the steering wheel off, and then we can get to putting on the hub. Alright you guys, well that's all installed and it's all done. There's a couple other upgrades I want to do for the interior that you'll probably see on the next video. But for this video, that's basically it. Just want to install the Momo Monte Carlo steering wheel and also the Momo hub. And if you were wondering what size I got, the size that I got was a 350 millimeter, which is just a little bit smaller than the stock steering wheel. So it's not like a very drastic change from size, which to me I would rather have a 350 than, let's say, a 330 or 320. Fits great, feels great. Feels nice. And yeah, don't have the horn button working, haven't connected the battery yet, but we'll get that fixed in another day. But as of now, yeah, there she is. Feels great. Well guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and a like, and thanks, it really helps out a lot. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.